Well, this is John Orsilia. Hello, a good day to everyone. And right now I'm in my taping, but I have to do this. I can't say no to Attorney Tiny. Good day, and congratulations everyone for a job well done. All your works are very impressive as far as I'm concerned, and I would like to say that despite the fact that we all know that we are not professional filmmakers, I still have to stick somehow, not very strictly, to the discipline of filmmaking. So one of the reasons why I took the 5% away from the 100% scoring. And aside from that, I have to consider the way you presented the project, because I don't want to look like we are presenting a school requirement or a school report using filmmaking as a tool. I want to watch a film telling a story about the theme of your project, like about the Article 3, Section 3, Article 3, Section 3, or so on and so forth, Section 14, 12, and so on and so forth. Merong isang project sa inyo na pinakamalinis, pinakaklaro yung presentation. I think it's In the Name of Justice, if I'm not mistaken. Pero marami kasing mga incorporations na hindi ko siya makita as a film or as a movie, kasi ang daming particular parts, no? Like halimbawa, ang film kasi napakasimple lang ng kanyang parts, no? Yung first part is yung OBB, opening, billboard, and then the body of the film or the story, and then the CBB or the closing billboard. Halos lahat kayo ay pare-pareho na may ganyan, plus may additional pa kayong excerpts or yung trailer, and then towards the end meron pang parang how do we call it, meron pa kayong narrator, meron pang mga presentation na aside from the OBB, meron pang introduction, may excerpt, meron pang narrator, and then meron pang in-betweens, no, na mga texts, informations, just to explain what's going on and to underline what you are trying to tell, or dinadagdagan nyo ng information yung nangyayari through texts in the middle of the presentation. May mga information na pumapasok na gano'n. Alam naman natin lahat na pag nanood tayo ng pelikula, napakasimple lang. So kung i-add natin yung parts ng isang pagsusulat or presentation ng isang film, simple lang, OBB, and then dun sa body of the story, may tatlong hati lang naman yun eh, yung first part, yung middle part, saka yung resolution. And then sa first part, meron lang tayong inciting incident, and then crisis. Tapos sa middle part, meron tayong middle crisis. Tapos merong towards the resolution, magkakaroon muna ng complication, and then another middle crisis, kung another crisis pala kung gustong dagdagan pa ulit ng writer or ng mismong filmmaker, and then yung decay or yung resolution. Yun pa lang, yun na yung dapat nasa loob ng pelikula eh. Pero pag dinagdagan pa natin ng iba't ibang aspeto, meron na ng narrator, meron pang excerpts, tapos may narrator pa sa huli, nagmumukha siyang school presentation, and then meron pa nga tayong mga information in the middle of the